attorney on what investigators could be looking for on Baldwin's phone. 210. CNN, Alec Baldwin has turned over his cell phone to law enforcement officials as part of their investigation into the fatal shooting of cinematographer Helena Hutchins on the set of the film Rust, the Santa Fe County District Attorney's Office told CNN. A spokesperson for the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office confirmed to CNN the actor provided his phone to law enforcement officials in Suffolk County, New York, who have been assisting New Mexico authorities with obtaining the device. They will gather information off the phone and provide the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office with the evidence gathered, said Santa Fe County Sheriff spokesperson Juan Rios. Alec Baldwin says in Instagram video he is complying with cell phone search warrant. The Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office does not yet have physical possession of the data to be retrieved off the Baldwin phone, Rios added, but noted this as in. Hutchins was fatally shot October 21 during a rehearsal for a scene in a church at Bonanza Creek Ranch. Director Joel Souza was also injured in the shooting. Late last year, Baldwin told ABC's George Stephanopoulos the scene was going to show Baldwin cocking the gun and he and Hutchins were going over how she wanted to position his hand before the gun went off, saying then, "I would never point a gun at anyone and then pull the trigger." Aaron Dyer, Baldwin's civil attorney, confirmed in a statement to CNN his client voluntarily turned over his cell phone to authorities Friday morning. But this matter isn't about his phone, and there are no answers on his phone. Alec did nothing wrong. It is clear that he was told it was a cold gun, and was following instructions when this tragic accident occurred, Dyer said in the statement. The real question that needs to be answered is how live rounds got on the set in the first place, the statement added. What officials are looking to obtain. A search warrant was issued for Baldwin's cell phone last month, according to court documents from Santa Fe County, New Mexico. Alec Baldwin addresses Rust tragedy in New Year's video. Officials are looking to obtain messages, call logs, digital photos and videos, as well as any private messages sent on social media platforms in relation to the production of Rust, the warrant said. It also looks to obtain any deleted videos, photos and messages on the phone having to do with the movie. In a video posted on his Instagram account earlier in January, Baldwin said he was cooperating with authorities, saying the process of authorities requesting his phone for the warrant takes time and they have to specify what exactly they want. The actor added any suggestion he was not complying with the search warrant was a lie. In the video, he went on to add he is working toward, insisting on demanding the truth about what happened. Dyer said last month the actor was cooperating with authorities and they were confident the evidence will show the actor was not responsible for what happened. Armorer sues movie's gun and ammunition supplier. Hannah Gutierrez Reed, the armorer on the set, loaded the gun with what she thought were dummy rounds before Baldwin used it on set, lawyers for the armorer had cited in November. Rust armorer accuses supplier of selling her dummy ammunition mixed with live rounds before deadly on-set shooting. Jason Bowles, Gutierrez Reed's lawyer, said at the time there was a box of dummy rounds labeled dummy and the armorer took from that box and loaded the handgun only to later find out, and she had no idea. She inspected the rounds, that there was a live round. Now we don't know, however, whether that live round came from that box. We're assuming it did, Bowles said. 2 crew members have told CNN Gutierrez Reed mishandled weapons on a previous film project. Gutierrez Reed is now suing the movie's gun and ammunition supplier. In the complaint filed this month, Gutierrez Reed accuses PDQ Arm and Prop, LLC and its founder Seth Kenney of violation of trade practices, false and deceptive product labels, and false and material misrepresentations after, Gutierrez Reed alleges, Kenney sold her a cache of dummy ammunition with live rounds mixed in. The complaint also includes allegations of wrongdoing by several others involved in the production. CNN's Jen Selva, Chloe Milas and Julia Jones contributed to this report.